Okay. Now we are going to convert from the decimal to the octal number conversion. Okay, you are converting a number from the decimal number to the octal number system. So in this one you have taken an example is 549.625. Here this is nothing but integer part, this is nothing but a fraction part which is there in the decimal number system. So when you are converting from decimal to the any other number system, you have to remember mainly two methods are there. So that is repeated by division by method and repeated multiplication by method. Okay. So in this one you are converting from the decimal to the octal. So you have to do the repeated division by 8. Okay. For which part? Integer part. So in this one integer part is 549. You have to continuously go on doing the division for the number is 549 integer part. Then when you go for the multiplication thing, but repeated multiplication will be done for the fraction part. That is you have to go on multiplying the by 8 for the fraction part. So if you take the example in this one 549 is an integer. So I have done the division steps and 625 that is dot 625 is nothing but a fraction part, you have to do the multiplication. Okay. Now if you go for your division method, that is you have to divide 8 divided by 549. So what you will get? So 8 5s are 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56 you will get, isn't it? But it is 56 is a more compared to 54. What you have to do? 8 6 are 48. So in 54 if you remove the 48, what you will get? 6. Okay. Then that 6 will be given here. So it will become 69. So 8 8s are 64. What is here? In 69 you remember 69 you have to subtract the 64. How much you will get? 5. So you have to write the remainder is 5. Like this you have to go on continuing. Okay. So you have to repeat here 8. So again 8 8s are 64. So how much is the remainder? 4. So here then what is the remaining? Next one is 8. So I can divide 8. So 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 0. So you will get 1045 is the part. So when you are taking, you have to take from bottom to top. That is 549 in octal number system is in decimal number system is equal to the 1045 in octal number system. Okay. So integer part you have completed. You want to tell again? So I'll just repeat here. 549 is divided by 8. So 8 6 are 48. So remainder will get, you will get extra is 6. So 69 will become. So 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 5. Again you divide 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 4. 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 0. When you are taking, you have to take from bottom to top. That is 1045. Okay. I have written here. Next you come for the fraction part. In the fraction part you have to go on repeat it, multiplication must be done. So here 0.625 into 8. So if you multiply you will get the answer is 5.000. Okay. Again take the, so you write the integer part here. Integer part is 5. Okay. Fraction part you take 0.000. Again multiply by 8. What you will get? 0 only. So if you go on doing that, you will get the answer is 0 itself, isn't it? So what you have to write? You have to take it from top to bottom for the fraction part. That is 0.625 in decimal number system is equivalent to 0.50 in octal number system. Octal number system. So now you combine both. Integer part you have separated, fraction part is separated. Now you combine the both. So what you will get? 549.625, it is in decimal, is converted to 1045.50 in octal number system. This is the way how you are converting decimal number to the octal number system. In the examination, they may ask only integer part. At that time, do only division method. They may ask only fraction part. At that time, they only fraction part. If chances is there that they will give both integer part as well as fraction part, you separate it, do it for the integer part, you separate and do it for the fraction part. Then finally combine both, you will get the answer for this question. Okay, thank you. Student, okay, today's session will be doing about the octal number system. Okay, in that octal number system we are converting from octal to decimal and decimal to the octal conversion we are going to discuss. As I already explained about the octal number system, you have to remember that octal number system is having totally the 8 digits will be there, that is from 0 to 7. So 0 is the minimum, 7 is the maximum in case of octal number system, and the base of the or radix of the octal number system is a 8. So what and all points you have to remember in the octal number system is nothing but here the base or the radix of the octal number system is 8, that your point how to remember. Then the weight structure of the octal number system is represented by here, see here that this is nothing but point, this point is nothing but octal point which is separating the integer part and decimal fraction part separate. Okay, so here the point, the values which will come on the left side of the octal point is nothing but it should start with 0, that is 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2, etc. like that, and the octal point, right side of the octal point should get is nothing but 8 to the power of minus 1, 8 to the power of minus 2, 8 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this is nothing but your weight structure of the octal number system. And one more point you have to remember, that is nothing but it is having totally 8 values starting with 0 and ending with 7, that is 0 to 7 values are there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6 and 7. In this one 0 is the minimum, 7 is the maximum. Now we will go for the conversion from the octal number system to the decimal number system. In the octal number system, whatever the number you should write, that is 763. This 763 375 must be in the range from 0 to 7. So verify that 7 will come within this one, isn't it? Then 6 is also within here, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is here only, then 6 is also there, then 3 is also there, then 3 is also there, then 7, then 5. So whatever the number you write, this must be in the within the range only from 0 to 7. That how to identify. Then you have to convert this octal number system to the decimal number system. Okay, so when you are converting, you have to write it here. This is in the place of 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. That is nothing but 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 1 and 8 to the power of 2. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right of the octal point, that is 8 to the power of minus 1, 8 to the power of minus 2, 8 to the power of minus 3. Okay, now you have to write it here, 7 into 8 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power of 0 plus 3 into 8 to the power of minus 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power of minus 2 plus 5 into 8 to the power of minus 3. Okay, pause Madhika. Okay, so you have to write it here, 7 into 8 square plus 6 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power of 0 plus 3 into 8 to the power of minus 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power of minus 2 plus 5 into 8 to the power of minus 3. One side you calculate what is the value of here, 8 to the power of 0 you calculate it. It is nothing but anything to the power of 0 is 1. Then 8 to the power of 1 is nothing but 8. 8 to the power of 2 is a 64. 8 8s are 64. Then 8 to the power of 3 is nothing but 512. Okay, like that you calculate the fraction part also, that is 8 to the power of minus 1. 8 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 8. So what value you will get 0.125. Okay, 8 to the power of minus 2 also you calculate here, you round off here, so 0.01562. Okay, then here 8 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 512. Okay, so you will get 0.00195. Okay, so now you have to go for substituting here. 7 into 8 square is something but 64. So 7 into 64, what you will get? 448. Okay, then 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48. Then 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into 8 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 0.125. Okay, so 3 into 0.125 if you do, you will get 0.375 plus, so 7 into 0.01562 is nothing but you will get 0.1092 plus, if you multiply here 5 into 0.001953, you will get is 0.0095. So now you add all the fraction parts and all the integer part. If you add here 448 plus 48 plus 3, so what you will get? So it is 48 plus 3 is a 51. So 51 plus 448 if you add, you will get is 499. Then you add fraction part separately. So you will get 0.49395 you will get. Now you add integer part as well as fraction part. This is a number obtained in which number system is? This is nothing but decimal number system. You converted 763.375 in octal number to the 499.49395 in the decimal number system. This is the way we have to convert from the octal number system to the decimal number system.